Hi friends, good morning. Today's topic is dissertation or thesis. So today let's discuss about what is a thesis or what is a dissertation, or how would we differentiate between a thesis from a dissertation. So dissertation or thesis are often used as interchangeably to refer to the mandatory final projects in specific academic program. So these words, either dissertation or thesis, that can be used interchangeably to refer to mandatory academic projects in certain academic disciplines, and in different countries they were used in for a particular purpose. So for different countries, either in the United States or in UK or in India, sometimes dissertation stands for, if there is one particular country used dissertation for project of a postgraduate program, then other country is using the word thesis for a postgraduate program. Anyway, two words are used interchangeably to refer to the mandatory academic program, mandatory final projects in specific academic projects. So let's consider first the case of universities of United States. Here a thesis indicates the final projects of master's degree. So in the United States, a thesis is the final projects of master's degree, so at the master's level. And dissertation, so the dissertation is here used as final project of a doctoral degree. So in the US, a student has to submit a thesis for the master degree program, and dissertation has to be submitted for the doctoral degree, the PhD degree. But in the case of United Kingdom, so when we consider the academic programs of United Kingdom, here a thesis submitted for doctoral degree and dissertation is for a master's degree. So here is a difference. So in UK, a thesis is prepared for a PhD or a doctoral degree and dissertation for a master's degree. And the structure of both the projects, final projects, was similar, but there were differences in number of pages and also in the depth of the study. So a doctoral thesis or dissertation is, so even if it is thesis or dissertation, that can be interchangeably in different countries like UK, USA or in India. So if it is for a doctoral purpose, if it is prepared for a doctoral thesis or a doctoral dissertation, it is usually lengthier compared to master's project. Or in generally we can say that either dissertation or thesis, which are reports of research work carried out by the scholars. So the reports of the research work carried out by the scholars in either in the postgraduate level or in the doctoral level. So that's about thesis or dissertation. Then there is another term, that is literature review. A scholar engages in literature review or review of literature for preparing any of this project or undertaking any study or for undertaking any kind of study. So literature review is the summary of relevant previous writing on the topic under dissertation. So literature review is the summary of the relevant previous writing. So it is the summary of the previous writing relevant to the topic under discussion. So the main objectives of review of literature is, it is an academic writing activity to display a scholar's knowledge of the subject. So it helps the scholars to gather information regarding the subject. Another objective of reviewing others' work is to establish the distinctiveness of your work and sometimes to justify the gap existing in the subject. So, while reviewing others' work, it helps us to make our own work distinctive, unique, or separate, or to avoid plagiarism of the work. And also, by reviewing others' work, a researcher can identify the gaps in the research field, the field of the particular research. So it helps them to justify the gap existing in the subject. So that's about the dissertation or thesis and also about the process of literature review. Okay then. Thank you.